In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D text in Cinema 4D. We'll walk through a beginner-friendly method using the MoText object, and then I'll show you an alternate approach using a text spline with an extrude object. Along the way, we'll customize fonts and bevels, apply materials for color and reflectance, and finish with a simple camera and lighting setup so you can render a clean, realistic result. Let's start with the recommended method. Go to the MoGraph menu, the one with the green icons, and choose MoText. As soon as it appears in your scene, select it and look at its attributes. In the text field, type the word or phrase you want to turn into 3D. While you're here, pick a font that suits your design. Bold or semi-bold styles tend to read well in 3D, but choose whatever matches your look. Next, give the text some thickness. In the MoText attributes, increase the depth or movement value to set how far the text extrudes. A moderate amount usually feels substantial without looking blocky. To avoid razor-sharp edges, open the cap section. Choose a bevel style that you like and set a small radius for a soft highlight. A few segments keep curves smooth. Just be mindful that higher values add geometry. With the form in place, add materials to create color and surface character. Create a new material, choose a base color, and in the reflectance settings, pick a subtle reflection with some roughness. That slight blur catches the bevels nicely and keeps the text from looking like a mirror. Drag the material onto the MoText object to apply it. Now set up a camera so your composition is intentional. Add a camera, frame the text, and adjust the focal length if you want either a more natural perspective or a dramatic look. For lighting, place a light so it grazes the beveled edges. An overhead or off-angle position works well. Softer shadows often look more realistic and help the bevels pop. If you prefer the alternate technique, go to Create, then Spline, and choose Text. Type your phrase in its attributes, then add an extrude object and make the text spline a child of the extrude. Increase the extrude depth to set thickness and use the cap section here too for beveled edges. Apply materials in the same way, and use your camera and lights to finish the scene. When everything looks good in the viewport, render your shot and review the highlights on those bevels. That's your 3D text, clean, readable, and ready to use.